Let's make pudding. Rice, 1 cup full. Carrots, 2 kilograms. Add water, 2 mugs. Add rice. Cook on medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the carrots. Mix it well. Green cardamom. Cook for 20 to 30 minutes on medium flame. After 20 minutes, add milk. Keep stirring the spoon. Cook for another 30 minutes. After 25 to 30 minutes, add sugar. After adding sugar, cook until thickened. After 15 minutes, your pudding is ready. Final look.